Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 21st question of the coordinate geometry chapter. So question says find the area contained by absolute value of x plus absolute value of y is equal to 4. So we will draw this figure first. So in the first quadrant, if I pick any point, x is positive as well as y is positive. So the coordinate x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. So over here, when x is positive, absolute value of x will become x and absolute value of y will become y. So in the first quadrant, the equation of the line becomes x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so x plus y equal to 4. If I want to draw the line, I'll pick the points on x and y axis. When you put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 4. So this is the point 0, 4. And when you put y is equal to 0, you get x equal to 4. So this is the point 4, 0. Okay. So if I connect these 2 points, this will be the line in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So when x is negative, absolute value of x will become minus x. Y is positive, so that means it is plus y. So minus x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation of the line in second quadrant. So now if I put x as 0, we get y as 4, which is one of the point. If I put y as 0, we get minus x as 4, or x is minus 4. So that means at this point over here, this is the point that I get, which is minus 4, 0. If I connect these 2 points, this is the line in the second quadrant. Similarly, now in the third quadrant, so now this is the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. X is negative here, y is negative here for any point. So in this quadrant, the equation of the line will become minus x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so if this is the equation, if I put y as 0, I get minus x as 4. That means x is minus 4. So this is one of the point that I get. If I put x as 0, I get y as minus 4. So that means this is the point. That means over here, this is the point which is 0, minus 4 that I get in this quadrant. And finally, in this fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So the equation of the line becomes x minus y is equal to 4. So if I put x as 0, we get y as minus 4, which is this point. And if I put y as 0, we get x as 4, which is this point. So if I just have to combine these 2 points, line on these 2 points. So this is the figure that I get. I have to find the area contained by them. So basically, if you look at it, this is the figure that I am getting. If I find area of this triangle, right angle triangle, okay. So if I find this area shaded in red, 4 times of that should be the answer. Okay, because all these right angle triangles are the same. Each of them has basically sides 4 and 4, and which is 90 degree. Okay, and all of them are right angle triangle. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. And each of these part is 4 units. So area of this right angle triangle will be half into base, which is 4, into height, which is 4. So this becomes 16 by 2, which is 8. So area of this is 8, and 4 times this will give me the answer. So 8 times 4 is 32. So what is the area contained? 32 is the answer here. 32 is the right answer. Alright, that's how we solve this.